Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of unknown error occurred on Picsart. To know how to fix or how to solve unknown error occurred on Picsart, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. After that you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Picsart. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store and you can update your app here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.